Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn additional to the FreeCAD sketching, you also learn about the application of FreeCAD tools like Subtractive Helix Cylinder, Chamfer and Fillet. This is the exercise for today. This is the 2D drawing that we need to convert to this 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create the 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D ESO drawing into 3D solid part. Click this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. Here are the 6 steps to finalize the 3D solid part. In step 1, we create a cylindrical part with diameter of 6 mm and length 80 mm. Activate the cylinder tool and select the plane and then put the dimensions. Now, we create the head of the solid part, which is defined as position 2. Select the top surface and then activate the sketch tool. Choose Centered Rectangle. Assign the dimensions. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and extrude it by 18 mm. Reverse the direction. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 3, we create the chamfer at the other end of the cylinder. Activate the chamfer tool and select the edge and then set the parameters. By parameter type, select the option Distance and Angle. In step 4, we remove material from the created part with the help of Subtractive Helix tool. First, we create a sketch plane at the end of the cylinder. Select the orientation of the plane and then set the position. Click OK to confirm. Now, we have the plane on which we create the circles with a diameter of 4 millimeters. Hide the plane and create the first circle. Choose this tool to extract the reference edge. Constrain the center of the circle to the reference curve. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Subtractive Helix tool. For mode, select the option Pitch Height Angle. Select Base Y-axis for the axis of the subtractive helix. Reverse the direction. In step 5, we repeat again the previous procedure. And hide the plane and select the plane and then activate the sketch tool. Hide the plane and sketch the circle on the vertical axis. Extract the reference curve. The next step is to constrain the center of the circle to the reference curve. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. We repeat the step for procedure again. The parameters are the same. In step 6, let us add a fillet to the corners according to the drawing. Finally, we add material to the solid part. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.